Why does there's a soul mood?
Be fine, sir. Later I will report to nurse to be followed up.
Okay, ma'am.
Afternoon, nurse.
Yes, good afternoon, ma'am. Can we help you, ma'am?
So, nurse, my husband was complaining of pain in the heel of his foot and three was redness. Why is that?
Oh, okay, ma'am. Then I will see the one first, okay?
Okay, nurse.
This lady, you have a decubitus wound because you are just laying in bed without moving your body.
Oh, yes, nurse. Sorry, I don't understand.
Okay, then I will talk to doctor and other nurse to provide health education to you and family.
Okay, nurse, thank you.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Have you come home from work soon?
Yes, ma'am. We happen to be able to get home from work earlier today. How are you now, ma'am?
That's how it is. My father still often complains of pain due to his injury.
Have you reported this to the nurse, ma'am?
Already before, but three is still no follow-up from the nurse and doctor.
Yes, just wait for the information from the nurse.
Good afternoon, doctor. I am Nasrika from the Marwa ward.
Yes, good afternoon, nurse.
So, doc, in the Marwa ward, there was a stroke patient 2 months ago, and today the patient with reports that her husband complained of pain in the heel because the patient was just lying in bed without doing physical immobilization. So, later my colleagues and will provide health education regarding the prevention of pressure sores in the village, the patient life. How about doc?
Yes, nurse. I totally agree. Can be done tomorrow at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you. That I will accuse myself. Good afternoon, sir. I already contacted the doctor. Tomorrow there will be health education in the village where Mr. Riza family lives.
Okay, we will prepare the material.
Okay, then I'll make a leaflet too so you can read it again after the health education of finished.
Okay, thank you for your enthusiasm. Please prepare well, okay?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Introduce me, Nurse Arum, and my three colleagues. Our goal here is to conduct health education related to the prevention of pressure sore due to stroke. The time we need is approximately 15 minutes. Before starting, do you have anything to ask?
There is not any, sis.
Well, if there is nothing you want to ask, I will explain about hemograph stroke. The next material will be explained by Nur Syahra. I invite you. Okay, just go ahead. Stroke is a clinical thing that develops rapidly due to focal brain diffusion, with symptoms lasting 24 hours or more, leading to death, with no other obvious cause other than vascular. Meanwhile, hemorrhagic stroke is a stroke that occurs when a blood vessels in the brain burst, casting ischemia and hypoxia downstream. In conditional, the blood flood and compress the struggling brain tissue there be interfering with or shutting down its function. Forcing and symptoms such as a headache, nausea, vomiting, seizures, and decreased consciousness. Next will be explained by Nurse Dian.
Okay, thank you Nur Zahra. Then the causes and risk factor for hemorrhagic stroke. The causes of hemorrhagic stroke are hypertension, rupture of aneurysms, arteriovenous malformations. There are three risk factors, one of which is high risk factor for high blood pressure, such as hypertension and diabetes. The second is a risk factor for death and disability. And the third is a risk factor for developing decubitus during a 24-hour hospital treatment. Next will be explained Nurse Vika.
Thank you, Nurse Dian. Then prevention can be done to minimize the factor that occur in stroke. One of which is hypertension. It can be done pharmacology or by taking hypertension medication regularly, or non-pharmacology by controlling blood pressure and stopping the habit smoking or alcoholism. Furthermore, it will be continued by the ARUM nurse.
Okay, thank you, Nurse Vika. Next is prevention. Prevention, there are 5 points, namely arrangement of mobilization or resting position that is carried out 24 to 27 hours after a stroke. The second is to give baby oil or coconut oil to the affected area. Third is to wear loose clothing so that it doesn't cause the skin to become depressed and moist. The fourth is to avoid wrinkles on the bed. The fifth is to do skin massages and keep the skin clean to keep it clean and dry. Good, then it will be continued by Nurse Gali.
Well, thank you, Nurse Arum. Next is a manager of treatment is a treatment for hemorrhagic stroke in general medicine and specific treatment. The general treatment is that the airway must be free to ensure oxygen requirement. Birth is maintained so that the baby remains heat enough to flow blood or perfusion to the brain and keep the blood composition or oxygen, hemoglobin, glucose, optimal for brain metabolism. Prevent endothorax and sequestration with a concentrated Gerecol or mannitol for edema, and Valium gently again confused. Symptoms of the urinary tract and fluid balance should be noted. Digestion and nutrition should not be ignored. Specific treatment include causal treatment, with treatment of bleeding in brain with the aim of hemostasis, for example 1 gram or 8 hours slowly for 3 weeks. Then the dose if of one is greatly low, its exactly is antibody fibrillary so as to prevent blood to prevent hyperbirth and recurrence. Good for health education. This only the material and for father and mother can be understood.
Can you understand?
Okay, if you understand, now it's my turn to ask you about the health education that was explained earlier. As for the question, please mention the 2 precautions that I explained earlier.
I want to answer your question, namely the arrangement of mobilization or resting position that is carried out 24 to 27 hours after a stroke. The second is to give baby oil or coconut oil to the affected area. Already, sis.
Wow, that's good. I can answer the means. I think you then understand what we have explained to you.
Okay, so everything is clear. Do you have any question before I close the health center this morning?
I think it's quite clear, sis. There's nothing to ask anymore.
Then I will close the health center today. Before that, my colleague Nurse Dian will give you a leaflet regarding the material. We'll explain it earlier so that it can be used at home later. Thank you so much for me. Good morning.